All right, what a peaceful morning. Nice. So we wanted to be close to the dog park. Right. So, and that's the dog park, nice and big too. Only thing is, being close to this dog park got us toting our bags to the shower. Look at the hydrant right in the middle of the dog park.
Yep.
If that's not cute enough, and then you just you just go in there, take them off their leash, let them go. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, so we looking for this bridge there. I think that's the pathway right there.
Yeah, there's the bridge.
There's the bridge. So we're gonna get on the road about what time? Well, what you thinking, babe? I got a bridge right here after we shower. Well then, what? Shall we have breakfast sandwiches on the go today?
Yeah. Let's get over the higher.
Okay. Let's cross this bridge together, my love.
Hey, it's even got a creek.
Oh, man. So we're not just walking over a bridge for fashion.
Shit. We gotta walk over there.
Oh, yeah, we gotta go over there. Oh, look, they got the right idea this morning with that fire.
Oh, yeah.
So, babe, I see you knew what you was doing when you got that checkered tablecloth. Because I'm noticing it's a lot of those checkered tablecloths here on the campgrounds that we be seeing. Look at that. Look at that. That is so... Good morning. Look at me. That is so romantic, babe.
Yeah. See, that's nice. Those cabins are nice, too.
Yes. Let me show the people what they doing. How lovebirds in the morning. He threw some wood out there for her to keep them warm. You think they got showers in those cabins, babe?
No.
Okay.
No, they're basically like bunk beds. And,
just like our RVs.
Like a full size, and then on the other side is bunk beds. You know, I don't know if they all vary, but the ones I've been in, basically that's what it's like.
But no water is in there.
No water. But some have TVs, AC.
I see the AC unit there. All right. Well, and then they got the swing on the porch. Look at you, babe. About to lose his shoe. Boy, I tell you. KOA, his favorite. I have to agree with you, though, babe. You know, if you're going to camp, you know, at least you got a certain standard that you know, expect when you out here.
Are you sure we're walking in the right direction?
I'm not sure. No. I'm not sure at all. But I know we... Yeah. Look at this. And our robes, got our bags. Okay, is it a trash can somewhere around here? Restrooms right here, baby. Okay. They don't have the... I think the showers is in the restrooms. They don't have the... They don't have a lot of trash cans.
No, right.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Well, look at that. Them the big boys over there. Okay. Men. All right.
Okay.
Hopefully the shower is in there. All right. All right, guys. Nice. Come out there, okay. Nice, that's nice. Here we go. Here we go, okay. You know, I like that kind of stuff right there. You know, even if it's paired with this. Let's see. Oh, nice. Come on in here, KOA. With your, yes. Oh, shit, I got his bag. And you got the trash. That's trash, baby. You talking about switchback? Yeah, that's trash. But there's your bag, my love. Just put it outside the door. We'll find the trash can somewhere along the way. All right, guys. I'm about to, you know how I do. I'm about to enjoy this. I am about to enjoy this shower. Okay, you know how I do. With the trusty shower shoes. And, yep, got my washcloth. I got everything I need, guys. So, I'll get back with ya.